7 News live from Jessica Ridgeway's neighborhood in Westminster tonight. A memorial now covered in snow, and neighbors reacting to news of a 17-year-old arrested in the kidnapping and murder of Jessica Ridgeway. That arrest about 24 hours ago. And that suspect, Austin Sigg, is scheduled to make his first court appearance tomorrow morning. And 7 News reporter Marc Stewart is live at the Jefferson County Courthouse.
Mark, what happens next is pretty much up to prosecutors, right?
Prosecutors do have the discretion, but one thing to note is that we've seen Austin Sigg all day long in his mugshot, but when he appears in court tomorrow, as expected, it will likely be the first chance that we do see him in person. Now, there are so many unknowns as to what happens next, but what is certain is that he will not, and we want to emphasize, will not face the death penalty.
Austin Sigg may be a teenager, but the court may treat him as a grown-up. The fact he's accused of murdering a little girl and the fact he's older than 16 years old all make adult charges a likely possibility.
We have a 17-year-old defendant, so I can't anticipate any reason why, given the nature of the charges, the prosecutors wouldn't elect to try this as an adult case.
Sources tell 7 News police have DNA evidence linking Sigg to the kidnapping and murder. That's in addition to the fact police say Sigg is cooperating and waived his rights.
This is a suspect in one of the most media-covered cases in a while, coming in, not only turning himself in, but waiving his rights and speaking to police. That doesn't happen all the time.
If Sigg is convicted of murder, 7 News has found his age limits his punishment. The death penalty is not an option because he's under 18, and under the law, juveniles are eligible for parole, even if they're charged as an adult.
The law and medical science assumes that because he's a juvenile, his brain functions differently than if he were an adult. And so the law takes that into account.
So as far as specific charges, it's something that the prosecutors are perhaps discussing tonight and will once again tomorrow morning. But I think it is safe to say that some kind of murder charge and kidnapping, it's all but certain. We are live in Golden tonight. Marc Stewart, 7 News.